Greetings, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to Digital Assets Unfiltered. Today we're diving into a significant development in the crypto space, Bitwise's so-called victory in the Bitcoin ETF crypto ads battle.
You know what's interesting these days? Bitcoin. Look for Bitwise, my friends.
Within 48 hours, 3 Bitcoin ETF crypto ads came out. Consensus from responses across social media was that Bitwise's advertising campaign came out on top. Let's dive in. If you have been living under a rock, then you know that the SEC could make crypto history within the new year with first spot Bitcoin ETF approval. Leading financial institutions are becoming more optimistic about the SEC's decision to greenlight the inaugural spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, which could mark a significant milestone in the world of cryptocurrency. In total, approximately 12 companies, including renowned Wall Street asset management giants such as BlackRock and Fidelity, have submitted applications for a position in a Bitcoin ETF. This ETF is designed to be valued based on the real-time price of the digital asset. If approval does come, as many expect, it will mark a major step toward the mainstream adoption of cryptocurrency in the US. What does a potential spot Bitcoin ETF mean if it passes? A potential spot Bitcoin ETF could offer retail investors an enhanced opportunity to invest in the world's biggest cryptocurrency, all at a lower cost compared to the existing Bitcoin ETF that is based on futures market prices. Additionally, investors can conveniently gain exposure to Bitcoin without the need to navigate through unregulated exchanges. By purchasing an ETF through well-regulated money management firms, trading can take place on reputable platforms like the New York Stock Exchange and Nasdaq stock market. Why is this good for crypto, you ask? The belief is that with the SEC passing a spot Bitcoin ETF, it will allow trillions to flow into the crypto market. Grayscale's CEO, Michael Sonnenschein, stated he believes that an approval by the SEC will drive that exposure as the advised market in the United States can potentially open up a $30 trillion window. The impending Bitcoin ETF is not just a power trip or a middle finger to the SEC, it holds the power to unleash a financial storm worth trillions and reshape the entire crypto market. With traditional and institutional investors venturing into the world of cryptocurrencies. So, it was very shocking when 3 crypto ads came out in a brewing crypto marketing war, rolling out a total of 3 crypto ads in just 2 days. On December 18th, Bitwise unveiled their inaugural Bitcoin ETF advertisement, starring the charismatic actor Jonathan Goldsmith. You may recognize him as the iconic, most interesting man in the world. After a few days, on December 20th, Hashdex made waves with its crypto advertisement. The addee showcased a dumper truck and boldly declared, "Stocks aren't crypto, fixed income isn't crypto, precious metals? Nope, not crypto either." And then, with confidence, they proceeded to promote their firm. Bitwise followed up with yet another brief advertisement starring Goldsmith on December 20th. Goldsmith, with a mischievous grin, couldn't help but share some exciting news. "Guess what? Satoshi wanted me to pass along his warm regards," he exclaimed, staying true to his Bitcoin-loving persona. Notably, the bold branding efforts by these 2 asset managers demonstrate a remarkable level of confidence in a financial product that is still awaiting regulatory approval. Experts have estimated that there is a 92% chance of the SEC granting approval to one or all of the 13 spot Bitcoin ETFs that are currently pending by January 10th. These competing companies, all striving for a position in the Bitcoin ETF market, are locked in a fierce battle for investors, inflows, and assets under management. Their most powerful arsenal? Branding. The potential Bitcoin ETF news is so massive for the crypto space that the whiff of Bitcoin ETF passing within just the past 6 months has made Bitcoin surge by a remarkable 40%. This incredible growth can be attributed to the influx of applications for Bitcoin spot exchange-traded funds, ETFs, which have propelled the entire cryptocurrency market to new heights. As a result, the combined market capitalization of Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and other cryptocurrencies has skyrocketed to an impressive $1.6 trillion in the past year alone. the anticipation surrounding the potential approval of a highly anticipated Bitcoin spot ETF has played a significant role in driving up the price of Bitcoin. However, there are concerns that this surge in price could potentially trigger a significant sell-off in the upcoming year. The impact of this will be immense and will have long-lasting effects not only in the current year, but also in the years to follow. However, it is important to approach the approval itself with caution, treating it as an event that may lead to a sell-off in the market. Despite the remarkable rebound witnessed this year, it is only natural to anticipate a slowdown in the market. Nevertheless, considering the consistent pattern of crypto's 4-year cycle, there remains a possibility of price surges as the year unfolds. Bitcoin's historical halving in April is expected to cause crypto price chaos in a good way. The Bitcoin halving, famously referred to as the halvening, as it stands as one of the most eagerly awaited moments in Bitcoin's captivating journey. The potential wealth is what captivates the attention towards these occasions. As the supply of new Bitcoins being introduced into the market decreases, the demand is expected to remain constant, which could potentially lead to a surge in the price of Bitcoin. Consequently, this event has sparked fervent discussions regarding predictions about Bitcoin's price and the anticipated reaction of the market. The notion is that if miners have fewer Bitcoins to sell, there will be a reduced availability for purchase. What is the Bitcoin halving? Every 4 years, the number of Bitcoins that miners can potentially win is cut in half, as new Bitcoins are introduced into circulation through block rewards. These rewards are earned by dedicated miners who utilize costly electronic equipment to mine for these valuable digital assets. Back in 2009, miners who struck gold in the digital realm were rewarded with a hefty sum of 50 Bitcoins every 10 minutes. Fast forward through 3 halvings, and now a more modest 6.25 Bitcoins are being handed out within the same time frame. This ongoing process will continue until the total number of Bitcoins in circulation reaches the magical figure of 21 million. Experts predict that this milestone will likely be achieved around the year 2140, adding an air of mystery and anticipation to the future of cryptocurrency. How does halving influence Bitcoin's price? A Bitcoin halving captures immense interest primarily due to the widespread belief that it will result in a surge in prices. However, the reality remains uncertain, and predicting the outcome is a challenging task. As we reflect on the past, Bitcoin has experienced 3 halvings, which serve as valuable precedents to analyze. The impact on the price of Bitcoin may have been initially small, but over the course of the year following the second halving, the market eventually responded. Some argue that the increase was a delayed outcome of the halving. The theory suggests that as the supply of Bitcoin decreases, the demand for it remains constant, thus driving the price upwards. If we examine Bitcoin's price 365 days after the second halving, we can observe a significant rise of 284% to 2,506. Now, let's shift our focus to the most recent halving. Interestingly, Bitcoin's price continued to exhibit bullish behavior for a full year after the event occurred. This time, it surged by an impressive 559% or more. So, as you can see, the hype and powerful branding behind the Bitcoin ETF crypto ads will only intensify. People believe that the highly anticipated halving event and the growing excitement surrounding the spot ETF could potentially propel Bitcoin to a staggering 160,000. Experts believe that by combining numerous catalysts and past trends, a powerful force will be unleashed, propelling the market into a bullish frenzy by 2024. And there you have it, between the crypto ads battles, Bitcoin ETF approval on the horizon, and the Bitcoin halving, 2024 is setting up to be a real interesting year for crypto. If you found this update intriguing, give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more crypto news.